Welcome to Rev and Ride. Get ready for a refined cruising experience as we take a closer look at the 2025 Royal Enfield Meteor 350, a bike that blends timeless design with modern reliability. Whether you're a city rider or a weekend explorer, the new Meteor is here to deliver comfort, style, and performance in one package. Design and styling. The 2025 Meteor 350 retains its classic cruiser silhouette but with subtle upgrades. The fuel tank is more sculpted, chrome elements are refined, and new color schemes like Astro Red and Supernova Chrome Black add premium appeal. The seating ergonomics remain relaxed, perfect for long-distance rides. Engine and performance. Under the tank, the 349 cubic centimeters single-cylinder J-series engine returns, producing around 20.2 brake horsepower and 27 Newton-meters of torque. It's smooth, torquey, and refined. Thanks to the SOHC setup and counterbalancer, vibrations are minimal even at cruising speeds. The 5-speed gearbox offers slick shifts, making city and highway riding equally enjoyable. Features and tech. The 2025 update brings a brighter Tripper navigation system with Bluetooth, a redesigned instrument cluster with better visibility, and USB charging as standard. Dual-channel ABS ensures added safety, while the new suspension tuning enhances ride comfort across rough patches. Ride quality and comfort. Royal Enfield has fine-tuned the suspension for improved damping, especially at the rear. The wide handlebar, low seat height, and forward-set foot pegs offer a laid-back riding posture, making the Meteor one of the most comfortable cruisers in the 350 cubic centimeters segment. Pricing and final verdict. With a starting price of around 2.20 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, the 2025 Meteor 350 continues to offer excellent value for money. For those seeking a reliable, stylish, and relaxed cruiser with a touch of modern tech, the Meteor remains a top contender. Stay tuned to Rev and Ride for more updates, reviews, and two-wheeled adventures. Ride safe and ride free.